Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X7A and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let me explain. We will have two different ways to block a number. The first one is by using your contact list, which simply means that you can block the number you've got currently saved, or you can do it, I would say, like by using the settings, the dialer settings. Of course, I'll show you both, and I'd like to start with the contacts. So let me open them, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it, and then tap on more. Here we have to tap on block contact, and as you can see right here, we've got the notification that this number is blocked, which simply means that we will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. Of course, you can unblock it the same way here. However, let's leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist itself. So the second way to block a number is to use the settings. So it doesn't really matter if you will be on the favorites, contacts, or the phone. Just tap on the three dots in the right upper corner and tap on blocked. And as you can see, we've been transferred to this whole blocked section. We can set some kind of call block rules or message block rules. So for example, you can block all incoming calls, unknown numbers, private or withheld numbers. It's up to you. And the same situation with the message block rules, but here we've got only unfamiliar numbers. In order to get to the block list itself, we have to enter the settings in the right upper corner. As you can see, we've got those rules which we had before, and here we've got our blacklist. So let's tap on it. As you can see, we've got this number Harry, which we've just added from our contacts. And here I said that we've got also the opportunity to enter the number, so we can tap on add. And as you can see, we've got more options to choose from, so we can add it manually, block prefix, add it from contacts also. But this time this option is a little bit different because you can add a lot of numbers in a row, so you don't have to do it manually separately for all of the contacts you want to block. You can add it also from call log and the messages. So let me pick, for example, add manually, and as you can see, you can simply enter the number, so you don't have to have it saved. Just tap on OK, and it will immediately appear right here. As you can see, also under a particular number, you've got the information how many blocked calls you've got and blocked messages. We can tap on it and hold it, and if you want to remove the number from the list, you will have to simply mark it and tap on remove. Now let's tap on remove also, and as you can see, the blacklist is empty. So basically that's all. This is how to block a number in your HONOR X7A. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.